Hi there, I'm Riley, and I'm glad to be talking to you today. I realize you've got a lot on your plate, so I'll try to make it worth your time. So let's face it, the traditional oil change shop experience rates right up there with root canals and used car salesmen. You have better things to do, but you know your vehicle needs maintenance, so you grit your teeth and you prepare for that high-pressure salesman. Don't you wish there was a better way? So what if there was a company that could come service your vehicles at your home or work and not interrupt your day? What if there was an option that didn't use high-pressure sales tactics? And what if this company had technology to keep track of your vehicle so maintenance was done on time? Never early, never late. And what if that company used a high-end synthetic lubricant and was easy on your budget at the same time? Could this really happen? The short answer is yes, it can. You see, we come to you wherever and whenever is convenient, so you can do what you do without interruption. We use a long life oil and a special filter that allows your vehicles to go longer between oil changes, yet protects them better than any conventional oil could. Our vehicle tracking system keeps track of your vehicles individually, so maintenance is done on time, never early, never late, giving you one less thing to think about. Instead of bringing you in for a cheap oil change and trying to sell you everything under the sun whether you need it or not, we just provide all those services as part of the membership. If it needs it, we do it. You never have to see that high-pressure salesman again. Here's how it works. You call us for a quote, set a time for an appointment, and sit back and enjoy worry-free vehicle maintenance that doesn't surprise your budget. Imagine relaxing in your living room or your office while your vehicle gets the care it needs. Imagine not having to worry about a salesman who just wants to get into your wallet. Imagine your children playing in the backyard rather than having a popcorn fight in the waiting room. All you need to do is provide us with your keys and we'll take it from there. Imagine that. Or you can go back to the smelly waiting room and the high-pressure salesman. You know how you love that. It's your choice. Thank you for watching. Give us a shot. You'll be glad you did.